Alrighty, so today you see here we have homogenized milk. That's 3.25% milk fat, so it's pretty nice thick milk, along with a lactancia, 35% whipping cream. So if you're wondering why we have these two ingredients, why we have 4 liters of the milk and 473 milliliters of the cream, it's because today we're going to make ricotta. In another video, the casadeddi video, you see that we used ricotta to fill the casadeddi, and this is how you make the ricotta itself. So stay tuned and learn how to make ricotta. So you got 3 bags in there, right, Ma? Yeah? And where are the 3 bags gonna go? The 3 bags are gonna go in a pot that can handle 3 bags. You're gonna pour the 3 bags in there along with the cream. Yeah? Or no?
Yeah, the cream.
Yeah, the cream. Okay. So your father was a shepherd, Ma? Ma da padre de Viguraro?
Yes.
How many sheep?
300.
300 you said? 300 sheep. Holy cow. And so what time would he wake up in the morning to go take care of the sheep?
5 o'clock.
And he would come home what time?
7 o'clock.
Why are you cutting the bag like that? You're going to put water in it? Why? You're going to save the bag?
No, io no, semplicemente.
Oh, you're just cleaning out the bag. Okay. Yeah, okay. So you're going to put all 3 in there, right, Ma?
Yeah.
And with the heavy cream. Right?
Yes, sir.
And then we're going to have an espresso when we're done. Nice. Okay. Okay, so we've put the 4 liters of milk and the cream in. And what else did you put, Ma?
Agito.
So in total, you put 15 tablespoons of vinegar. And now you're putting salt.
Sal.
Okay.
Sale.
How much salt?
Poi un tasto e capire come.
Salt to taste. So you're going to put what, maybe? Let's see. Can you put salt? Let's see what you're going to do. Okay, how much salt did you put? About?
I don't know. Non lo so.
How many times did you do this, Ma?
Ci hai messo, ora hai testato e ok.
Okay, so you just tasted to see if it's too salty. I'll put the ingredients at the end. And you're going to stir this, or you're just going to leave it like this? And what's happening here? What's happening is the vinegar is causing a chemical reaction, and the curds are going to separate from the whey, and which is how we're going to make a ricotta. And what temperature do you want this at? How hot is this? It's pretty hot. Let's see what temperature it is right now. Let's see what temperature we get here. It's going. Let's see where we're going here. So, is this how hot you want it to be, Ma, at this temperature here?
Yeah, I metto low.
Okay, so it's about 60 degrees Celsius, which I'll convert to Fahrenheit in the video at the end. Okay. Okay, Ma, you're going to show us how to stir this properly, because you don't want to stir it fast. You'll screw it right up. So you go right down the middle, and you're scraping the bottom, right, Ma? Why are you scraping the bottom? Perché, Ma?
Perché così non gambiga.
So it doesn't stick to the bottom. Okay, that's good. So now the temperature's gone up a bit. We're at 4 on the dial, but if we check the temperature here now, let's take a look. Now it's over 70, I think. Let's see where we're going here. And now the temperature is at 75. So it's between 75 and 80, so it's about 77 degrees right now. It is not boiling, which is good. You do not want this to boil. You remember a few minutes ago, maybe 10 minutes ago, it was at 60 degrees, so it's gone up about 15 degrees Celsius. At the end of the video, as I said, I will change it to Fahrenheit to make it easier for everybody. Good stuff. Okay, so the temperature here, we got this at medium because we don't want this to boil. We just want it to be, as I said, at that 60 degrees, kind of, I can touch it, you know, for about 3 seconds and then it's hot, okay? Because if it boils, it's gonna just completely separate and not work out. But you can see the curds are forming, and we're coming along good here. Ma, what's your favorite way to enjoy ricotta? Come ti piace la ricotta a ciumeggio? You like your ricotta in pasta with ricotta? You like it in cannoli with ricotta? Cassadetti with ricotta? Cassata with ricotta? What do you like, Ma?
Anything.
No, what's your favorite ciumeggio?
I cassate e ravioli.
Oh, ravioli with ricotta. So the difference with ravioli is it's almost like a cassadetti, because it's the same shape, but you don't put no sugar. No sugar.
No, un zucchero si mette, giusto che sapore un po' una pignata.
Oh, you boil it in water and eat it like pasta.
Pure sauce.
Oh, we'll do a show on that, okay, Ma? That sounds good. Okay. We'll check back in how long have we been here, Ma? We've been here about 20 minutes now.
No, it's just salsa piglia.
Yeah?
Just salsa.
Longer, so you think it's gonna take about half an hour? Well, what's gonna happen is the white liquid is gonna turn kind of yellow, and that's when we know everything has separated. Do you see how it's still white, the liquid? That liquid is the whey, but it's still not completely, it's still separating the proteins to make the curds, which is the ricotta, the curd itself. Hey, Ma, you were saying about your dad would come home at 7 o'clock at night?
Yeah.
Yeah? And he had 300 sheep. And he would make ricotta, right? With the sheep's milk.
Ricotta with cheese.
He would make cheese, so you grew up.
Ricotta.
You were the daughter of a shepherd with cheese. And he would make cheese for the community, right? In Rosolini, Italy, which is in Siracusa, Sicily. Alright, good stuff. We'll come back when this is done. Alright, so it is done. It took about an hour, and you can see what I'm talking about here. The liquid is clear and kind of yellowy. And Ma, would you, what do you do with that whey? What do you do with that liquid? What do you do with it? You drink it sometimes like a tea? And I remember that we would dip bread in it too, right? So that does not have to be thrown away. You could strain that, and look at this beautiful ricotta.
Okay.
Let's see. Go ahead, Ma. That's beautiful. So she's got a little container here that she's poked holes in. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but you can see that it's leaking, which is good. You want to drain the moisture as much as you can, or if you like, you can drain all of it out and it'll become harder, and you can salt it. You can look online for other videos on what to do with the finished ricotta, because there's different stages in aging that you can enjoy ricotta. So yeah, it's gonna make about 2 of these tubs here, as you can see. This is beautiful, and I think that it's gonna taste absolutely great. Would you agree, Ma? All right, I think I'm gonna taste it. So can I have a spoon there, Ma? Let's see. Let's taste this stuff here. Beautiful. All right, just getting a fork here. I'm going to give it a little taste. Let's see here. Excuse me, Ma. Let's give this a little taste here. Mmm. Okay. Oh, it's fantastic. Okay, Ma, say thank you for watching. Say thank you.
Thank you.
And that's ricotta, everybody.
Yeah.
Love it.